What's up, YouTube? It's hot already. Today's project is putting a shade cloth up over the top of the RV. It's really hot out here. As a matter of fact, it is 8:55 this morning and I'm already sweating big time. But anyway, I'm trying to keep some of the heat off of the RV so I don't have to use the air conditioner so much. So here we go. Yeah, we're going to start this process by digging some 8-inch holes. I'm going to dig them about 3 foot deep, and I'll bury some trees in there, and that's what I'm going to fasten it up with. Next step is hooking the grapple up so I can bring some logs over here and drop the logs in the holes I just dug. Alright, here's the finished product. So I basically took some 1,000-pound paracord and ran it through the eyes in there, all the way around the perimeter. And then I put a couple other lines there to pull it tight, put some pad eyes in the poles. And anyway, there we go. We have a lot of shade now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up with the latest progress.